Hello guys, today I'll be comparing xTiles versus Notion. I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know which is ideal for you. So for xTiles, it has a visually intuitive interface with a drag and drop tile system. It is excellent for brainstorming and visual organization. It offers flexible layouts and customization for notes. It is easy to create visually appealing dashboards, and it is more affordable than Notion on some paid tiers. Lastly, it has a generous free plan. Some weaknesses it has is that there's fewer integrations compared to Notion. It also has a smaller community and template library. Task management is less robust than Notion's database approach, and it may lack some of Notion's advanced database and collaboration features. For Notion, it is a powerful all-in-one workspace with robust database capabilities, extensive customization options, strong collaboration features with granular permissions, a vast template library and large community, and numerous integrations. Some weaknesses it has is that it can be overwhelming for new users due to its complexity, steeper learning curve, and the free plan has limitations on block usage and team collaboration. Lastly, the interface can feel less visually engaging to some. So let's go through the ideal users. For xTiles, they are for visual thinkers who prefer a more tactile and less structured approach to organizing information. It is also for individuals focused on personal productivity and creating visually engaging dashboards. And lastly, it's those looking for a more intuitive alternative for Notion for note-taking and basic project management. For Notion, ideal users are individuals and teams needing a highly flexible and powerful system for managing complex projects, databases, and diverse information. It is well suited for those who value customization and collaboration features and are willing to invest time in learning its intricacies. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.